Have you ever opened a design in Fusion 360 and been a little overwhelmed by all the different sketches that you've created? That even if they're relevant and you want to use them, you struggle to keep them organized. And so, new to Fusion 360 in this November release 2024, there is now the new sketch group. Make sure that you've updated Fusion 360 and now choose right click, new sketch group, and you can create any number of grouped folders that you'd like to utilize. And so you can come in and select the sketches that maybe go together for the first part of your design or the leg or the lower component, as well as you can use nesting. So this second group can be part of the first folder. So if I add these sketches into this group, I can bring them in. And so they'll all be found under the first design. And then within the second group, you can see kind of this nested structure. So if you are overwhelmed by the sketches in your design, and it'd be helpful to group them, remember that this also works for visibility. So if it's helpful, you can bring sketches into a folder structure known as sketch groups.